Kriya Yoga, which is mentioned in Bhagavad Gita too, but it was lost in between. And then came Mahavatar Babaji, who rediscovered this beautiful technique Kriya Yoga and handed over to Lahiri Mahashay, Swami Yukteswar Giri, and then Paramahans Yogananda wrote the book Autobiography of a Yogi, in which he described this Kriya Yoga is one of the ultimate meditation technique to fasten your spiritual journey. So I am going to tell you some basic and also the advanced, one of the most powerful techniques in Kriya Yoga. Yes, there are so many methods, but I am basically talking about two main methods of Kriya Yoga which are really important and which can any beginner start. So first, you have to see your breath. Watch your breath, the sensation. Don't try to control it. Let it pass naturally, effortlessly. Just feel the sensation. Watch the sensation. Don't try to, force your breath or try to hold your breath or try to, interfere any voluntary action. Just let it go involuntary and you have to just witness of your breath. You will see, as you can do with me, just for a few seconds, watch your breath. Slowly you will see it slows down. And then came the most important part, which is, first I have to tell you some, interesting fact that breath, it is believed that you came with total number of breaths and one breath you escape, you are one breath old. Your life came with set number of breaths. So if someone breath very fast, it means he is going to die very soon. And if you slow down your breath, it means your body not getting old and you will stay. And that's a method, trick used by Mahavatar Babaji to remain eternal. So this is the science of the breath. And you have seen in meditators, the breath become very slow, very slow. It means their body, you will see, if you watch a true meditator, his body remain very, young, calm. Because his physical body is not decaying. He is not breathing so fast. His breath is very slow. And now the came part, your nervous system. I am talking about your spine. Spine is your central nervous system connected to your brain, and all the neurons passes through your brain to your spinal cord to brain, and this happens. This keep on happening. Now you have to focus on your spine from your below the spine and feel the energy, or you can say the neurons, the activity of neurons, the energy starting up to head and then head to spine. Feel the energy. You know what happens from it? You, whatever your sense organs see, watch the reality, you perceive the reality from your sense organs, your brain interpret through neurons, through electric impulses. But once you control these impulses, then you go beyond your senses, your sense organs, and you see the reality which is beyond senses. So as you watch your breath, it slows down. When you watch the energy, the connection between from your spinal cord to brain, the activity of neurons slows down. It means you are completely in another dimension, which is spiritual dimension. Now let's be with me and just focus on your spine, as if, don't visualize, just be that energy is coming from spine to your brain and from brain to spine. So there are so many tricks, so many methods like Hangsu Kriya, in which you chant Om, and but these are two most important. First, focus on your breath, and then focus on your spine, and then don't focus on your breath or don't focus on your spine. Let naturally the witness goes where it will go. It will together witness the breath, together witness the spine energy, and that's Kriya Yoga. Thank you very much.